What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rebuild It. So we've got a little bit of a different video coming out for you this week. The Jeep is actually at the frame shop getting repaired, and the train video that we've got prepared is coming out next week. So we decided, since it's Christmas time, to do a little bit of a special edition Christmas episode. Hope you guys enjoy. Ah, yes, my favorite story. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the shop not a person was wrenching, not even my pop. The wrenches were hung on the tool wall with care, as clean as Dad's head, the one with no hair. The project was parked in the nice shop with heat, while all daily drivers were left down in the street. And 2 pairs of Crocs were next to the door, and a Rebuild It shirt lay beside on the floor. Available from our website, sizes medium to XXL.
We each had retired to our bedrooms for sleep, when suddenly we heard a loud noise near the Jeep. The clanging, the crashing, just one thing could it mean. Paul's patience ran thin, and he was back on the scene. I burst through the door to say the hour was late, that the Jeep would be ready, he'd just have to wait. But shock filled my mind as my eyes took it in. Not an impact or sledge, but Paul's face with a grin. He said, "Sorry to wake you, but your gift I just dropped. A surprise Christmas present, and that's why I stopped. Just some tools and other things I thought you might need, since this Jeep build's finally moving along at good speed." Paul's thought of gift-giving had surpassed his Jeep urge and had presented itself in a tool-buying splurge. "I sat around home and dreamt of sights I would see while off-roading my cool new Jeep," said he. Then I remembered the shepherd's manger and stable and the reason for Christmas, not the Santa Claus fable. So I thanked God for his gift and his son that he sent, got up from my chair, and off shopping I went. So that's why I'm here, to give you this box. Oh, I made this new key, and it fits all your locks. God gave us a gift, that's why we give to each other. So enjoy your new tools from your friend and your brother. And nodding farewell with a salute and a wave, he took a last glance at the present he gave. "Merry Christmas," I said. "I treasure this season," and I was reminded that God's Son is the reason. Merry Christmas from your friends at Rebuild It.